The muscle that produces the most force in running is called the soleus. It's a very underappreciated calf muscle that can produce its forces up to 7 to 8 times your body weight during the stance phase. That phase right here. So not only do you want to strengthen it for injury prevention and performance, but also you probably want to give it some care and some love. Just to be clear, we're talking about massage. However, since it's a deep muscle close to the bone and sitting right underneath a thick piece of flesh, the gastroc, how can we effectively access it? Because it's a little bit like trying to scratch your ear through a pillow. Well, I'm going to show you how. Salut, c'est Safe Motions. First, let's just do a quick anatomy review. It's important that you understand where all these muscles connect so you can really isolate the structures that you're actually trying to massage. Then you'll know why I do it the way I do it. Now, this is the thick, fleshy part of the calf muscle that we're talking about, the gastrocnemius. It runs from the heel bone, and this is really important, all the way up to the thigh. That essentially means that if I straighten the leg, I'm putting that muscle under tension, and if I bend the leg, I'm loosening up that muscle, just because of those attachment points. Now, if I peel off the gastrocnemius, we can reach down to the soleus. Soleus, who knows? I don't speak Roman. The soleus runs also from the heel bone all the way up to the shin bone on the inside of the leg, and then across to the outside of the leg on this bone called the fibula. It does not go up to the thigh, which means if I want to put it under tension, all I need to do is lift the foot up. Whether I bend the knee or not doesn't affect the tension of the soleus. That's it for the anatomy. Now let's get this muscle some love. First, let's loosen up the gastroc by bending the knee, and let's put the soleus under tension by lifting the foot. You can put something underneath the balls of your foot just to keep it in that position. Now you get your favorite massage tools, your fingers, your fist, a tennis ball, a massage gun, rolling pin, spoon, and get to work. Starting with the inside of the lower leg, you can do small circular motions or running your fingers across the fibers, which means perpendicular to your tibia or shin bone. And you just work through all the tender points that you find across the overall area. You want to keep the pain level lower than, say, 4 to 5 out of 10, 10 being the maximum, and be very, very careful with those few points. First, don't massage the bone. Rather focus on the soft tissues. If you keep on massaging the bone, eventually it might get hurt, and it doesn't serve any purpose. If you're not sure where you're at, just point the massaging device, including your fingers, just parallel to the bone, not right onto it. If you feel some referred pain, let's say you're massaging the soleus and then you feel some pain or some sensation, tingling, numbness onto the foot, for example, just skip to another area because you might just be massaging some nerves. It is not a trigger point or whatever. Number 3, last but not least, the soleus muscle stops here. Right below it is the Achilles tendon. Don't massage straight onto the Achilles tendon. Say if you regularly massage gun straight onto the Achilles tendon, particularly as it gets close to the heel bone, you may just completely inflame it, especially if it's really tired already. If an area has been painful for quite a while, make sure you consult with a specialist to get a diagnosis. One thing that's really important to find out though is why does your soleus muscle get tired in the first place? It's very possible that it's because it's not strong enough to perform the task that you're asking it to do. Luckily, there's an easy test to find out if your soleus is strong enough for running. Here, head out to this video and I'll see you there. À bientôt!